Hey, it's Lisa Donatella, author of Smudging for Beginners, Secrets of Professional. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best times to smudge. So I get a lot of questions about the best time to smudge, whether it's a time of day, a day of the week, time of the month, and so on. I know the time is man-made, so there's really no bad time to smudge, especially if you're feeling a shift of energy. But there are specific times, based on your circumstances, that you might want to smudge. Sunrise. Have you ever heard the words from the song, "It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me"? And no, I won't start singing. The artist did know what he was talking about. Sunrise is when life begins anew. Each morning represents new beginnings, and it's a perfect time to smudge for just that, a new beginning. What about twilight and sunset? Well, at the end of light when darkness falls. That represents the ending of the cycle of the day and a time for letting go of the past. So depending on your circumstances, if you need to let go of something or someone, it's not a bad time to smudge. Let's talk about the time of month. Moon phases. So the new moon, plus or minus 3 days, is for new beginnings. And the full moon, plus or minus 3 days, is for releasing or letting go. So you're not limited to smudging at the end of the evening to let go of something. A full moon will just give it more power. If you liked the video, please click the subscribe button. If you have a question about smudging, put it in the comments and I will answer it to the best of my ability. You guys have a great day and happy smudging.